Hello and welcome everyone. So we are present at Bangalore International Exhibition Center for celebrating the MOLDEX Expo 2024, and I am having with us Mr. Markus from Alpha Lasers here at the stall of laser technologies. So to start with, we would like to understand about your association with laser technologies and which technologies you're demonstrating here in India in association with laser technologies.
Well, we Alpha Laser, we make systems for mold repair, plastic injection mold repair, and we're on the Indian market for more than 20 years. But in the past it was quite slow going, so we decided to change partners about 10 years ago, and we got in contact with Laser Technologies. They're a very, very good company, and in these 10 years, they turned out to be a super partner for us, and they're everywhere, all over India, and we're very happy to work with them.
Of course, and talking about the machines which you're demonstrating here at the show, so if you would like to elaborate on the features of this machine.
This is an entry-level machine we actually developed for India because it was always very price sensitive. Now we're selling all over the world. It becomes very popular everywhere. It's a joystick controlled XYZ movement system, so full control for the operator. Supply unit and laser gun, all made by Alpha Laser. It's our own development. We don't buy any other sources. That is a huge difference. It's very easy to maintain. Obviously, quite good quality, of course. Special features like tilting optics, which gives the operator a lot of freedom. With the LED ring lights all integrated, so it's a perfect machine for mold repair welding.
Of course, and you've gotten a best partner like Laser Technologies. What do you see the future of this machine or any technologies by Alpha Laser here in India?
Well, the future is, this is an entry-level machine, and as I said, even 5 years ago, everybody was telling me you never sell the much more complicated machine in India. Now already we have 3 machines like that in India. We are talking to more customers, so they'll go for programming, more complex jobs, also for manufacturing jobs. Our partner here, Markus Laser in Bangalore, they're welding parts for space, aircraft, and all on our machines. So we're very proud, and we believe this is the next step, and we feel like it's happening now.
Thank you for sharing this with us, and we wish you a great collaboration with Laser Technologies ahead.
Thank you. Thank you very much.